Hey guys, welcome to our vacation rental home here in the French Caribbean. We're so excited to show you guys inside, and we'd love to say a big thank you to today's sponsors, Scentbird, but we'll tell you more about that later. So as you enter the villa, you'll see this nice little sitting area, which we haven't really used yet for some reason, I don't know why. And then over here, it's like my past came rushing back at me when I saw these mangoes. Still didn't try them yet because they're not quite ready, right? And we caught a couple of birds eating these mangoes, so they must be that good. Nice little sitting situation going on, which I completely can get behind. So this villa is going for about $1,000 for the week, which totals out to about $200 for the night. But we were willing to pay that price because of several factors, such as security. There is a whole security system going on outside with guards. We have like an electronic gate, which is semi-secure, and also the property is beautiful. The villa itself is very clean and chic, and it is just like so simply clean. It's insane, and it's very, very, very my speed. Now, if you guys have been to the French Caribbean islands before, or the Dutch Caribbean islands before, please leave it in the comments down below. I'd like to know which one is your favorite island, and if you have been to St. Martin before, please also leave it down below as well. I really wanted to show you guys what you can get for your money here in St. Martin, which is why I want to give you guys a tour of this vacation rental. But before we get deeper into the video, we'd love to share some words with you from our sponsors, Scentbird. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service that gives you access to over 600 different brands. For only $16 a month, you can get the opportunity to sample different perfumes, colognes, and even gender-neutral options. The company also carries upscale brands such as The Harmonist, Sicily, and Vernique Gabai, which are all just under $300 per bottle. The company also has Amouage, which is currently retailing at about $345 per bottle. Now imagine paying so much money for perfume and then a couple days after you don't like it, which is where Scentbird comes in. Your monthly subscription will give you access to these same brands and more for just $16. So the two fragrances that I chose for my first Scentbird subscription box are Versace Bright Crystal, because it reminds me of a casual, warm summer day, and Chloe, because it reminds me of a more sophisticated night out. So Scentbird was generous enough to include 3 additional scents that I am so excited to try. So these scents are Mason Sybarite 720, Mason Sybarite Opulent Wood, and the Commodity Gold, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be wearing one to dinner tonight. But for my next order, I'm also interested in trying the niche scents that they also have, such as Vince Camuto and Confessions of a Rebel. So if you guys are interested in getting like 30% off your first order, please click the link down below. Guys, I know your girls are gonna love this gift. And women, I mean, who doesn't like perfume? Because I know I do. And instead of $16, you'll get your first Scentbird package for only $11. You can thank me later. Now let's get back to the rest of the video, guys. So right when you come in, there's like a small kitchenette with everything that you can need, from a toaster to a, what's this again, a kettle?
Yes.
Or as the French say, briquet. I don't know if I got that right. That's what the lady said. One thing about this place, it is swarming with mosquitoes. We have been fighting with mosquitoes since we decided to come here. But anyways, it doesn't take away. So there's a microwave, a little coffee maker, a fridge, which we filled with stuff that we know we're not gonna eat before we leave. And one more thing that I really like about this place is that it comes equipped with a stove, a lot of cabinets, which is used to store like many different things. So basically we're living here. Like we said, we're living here for like a week. There are plates, which are also from IKEA. There are seasoning, sauces, everything that you need to cook if you're not a picky cook. There's also an area where they leave dishes and pots for you. And there is an oven. There's a grater here. A grater, guys. I've never been on vacation and saw a grater before. But yeah, they have everything that you could need, and that's what I really like, how thoughtful they are here. So if you step in here, we have the work area. So Simas is also working from here, guys. There's a little dining table. So we eat here, Simas works here, and then through that door, we'll take you through that door later. But let's go to the bedroom. All right, so this is the bedroom where the magic happens. The vacation magic. Okay, I'm kidding. Yeah, so this is the bedroom. The bed is huge. You can tell, last night I was talking to Simas and I told him, you can tell that this was designed by a guy. The colors are so solid. It's like black on gray on brown. If a woman did this, it would look a little bit peachier, like white or pink, or you know, it would look more spacious, but a guy did this and I can't complain. Another great feature of this is the mirrors. I love these mirrors because they're huge and I can just look at myself all the time. Like, who doesn't want to do that? And behind the mirrors, there's closet. It's built so like smart, you know? Closets, mirrors. You don't have to take up extra space to put the closet next to the mirrors. And also more closet space over here. There's a safe. And here, more closet space, same thing. And then right here is the little bathroom. So shower, place to wash your face, and the toilet, which I will not enter because Simas just disseminated it and I'm not going in there. So that is pretty much it for the inside of the house. But upstairs, there is a lot going on. There's a pool, there's a gym, there's a hot tub, and we'll go check that out right now. So let's go, guys. So guys, one of the biggest selling points of this villa is the view. And this is just like a stunning backdrop that we've never ever had on vacation before. So these mountains, I think the tallest one is actually called Paradise Peak in English. And Simas has been trying to help me pronounce the French one. It's like Peak Paradis.
Yes.
Yay, I got it right! It took me only 10 tries. But yeah, guys, look at this view. We are so like taken aback by this view, and to wake up to this every morning, I told Simas, I could definitely wake up to this every morning because this is totally my speed. It's so my speed. We're finally going upstairs, guys, so let's see. I can't get it out.
You have keys troubles. You want me to do it? Oh, look at that. Good job, Betty.
Yeah. So one thing I have to mention too is that we are not the only ones staying on this property. I think there is a total of like 3 villas on this property. So there might be other people when we go upstairs. Hopefully they're not. Anyways, let's go. So this is the hot tub, which we did not use yet. We should probably do that tonight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's uncovered. So it seems like somebody was using it. Let's go. And from the hot tub, there is a gym and a spider. So we came here on our first day, promised that we would come back, and we haven't returned since. It's been 4 days. So yeah, this is the gym. I didn't expect it to see so much heavy equipment in this gym because it's like a small home gym. But I feel like they did such a great job in incorporating everything that they could in this gym. And I'm kind of disappointed in us for not coming back. Alright guys, so there's more climbing to do. So we're gonna go up to where the pool area is, and we still didn't try out the pool. What is wrong with us? Because we're worried about getting footage. We're not actually vacationing. Anyways, let's go to the pool. So this time around, when we decided to go on a vacation, we wanted to do something that was very quick and spontaneous, and we weighed all our options and realized that St. Martin was our best option. The prices were great and the quality that you could get for the price was amazing. Another reason why we chose to come here was because of the diversity aspect. We saw many swirl couples just like ourselves, and me and Simas were kind of excited to be in an environment like that. Overall, we had such a great time here, and we are looking forward to coming back another time. Alright guys, that's it for the house tour. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We are enjoying this house until we have to leave. So sad, so sad. Because somebody doesn't want to extend the tickets. So sad, so sad.
Just please tell the people what you're going to tell the people.
I don't have anything else to say, Simpy.
Well, this is going to be our house for the remainder of our stay. This is our first time on the island, but probably not the last.
Yeah.
I would definitely come back here for another vacation, staycation, vacation, workcation, whatever you want to call it. I would actually come back to this property again too.
Yeah.
But so far it's been a good stay. But you know, if you like this house, let us know. If you don't like this house, I guess you could let us know too. But hey, we're not gonna entertain that.
We don't care.
But if you're gonna, if you watched this far and didn't hit the thumbs up button, make sure you go ahead and do that. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that as well.
Right away.
And we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. So see you guys in a little bit. Bye.